Hi everyone. Good evening guys. Good evening all of you. Right, hope you're all doing well. Right, we'll be continuing our discussion on what? We'll be continuing our discussion on this All-State PSC PYQs of surveying. So their plain table survey we were discussing now, and we'll be continuing that plain table survey discussion only. Right, today that plain table survey questions will get over, all of you. Right, remaining will be starting after from Monday. Right, from Monday we'll be starting with which one? This is the next chapter, you can say. Okay, next chapter will be starting from Monday, if you just observe, right? Isn't it? Right. So now, so here yes, Vishal, yeah, there is some problem has occurred. Now it's clear now. Now it's clear, right, Vishal? Now it's clear, right? Right. So here if we just said it, we'll be continuing our discussion, right? Hi Lina, hi Vishal. Right. This is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use, RPC Live, all of you. And you can follow my profile. There is a pinned, there is a banner, blue color banner pinned just below this video na. You just go to that video, just go to that blue color banner, then you will be getting which one, then you will be redirected to my profile in Unacademy, you can say, right? You will be redirected to my profile in Unacademy directly, yes na. And Unacademy has introduced this new offer, right? What is that you can say? For 7 days you can access this free courses, right? You can access this plus courses for free for 7 days. Okay, so this offer is valid from this June 9th to this June 12th only. So if you are enrolling for this between this June 9th to June 12th, then only it is applicable, right? Otherwise it is not applicable, right? So what is the referral code you have to use? RPC will live is the access code or referral code you have to use always. Okay, so there is a 0% EMI or no cost EMI option is given, right? There is 0% EMI or no cost EMI option is given by this Unacademy. You can just go to this option, right? You can just go to this option, and the financial burden you can reduce, all of you. Okay, right. So this is a live interaction, 1:1 live mentoringship interaction you are having. This is for iconic subscription only. Every month you will be having this 2 interaction sessions, you can say, right? So these are all the things which will be discussed, which will be covered under this live mentoringship. Okay, these are the special class features we are having. So daily scholarship, right? Whenever you are having this daily scholarship, right? Whenever you are having this daily scholarships test, right? The first rank person will be capable of accessing which one? This 50% scholarship, and the top 1 percentile will get 30% scholarship. Top 10 percentile will get which one? This 15% scholarship, and the bottom 90% people they will be getting which one? This using that referral code RPC Live, you can get this 10% discount on the code, right? So you can practice for this GATE and ESE with Unacademy PYQs, right? Unlimited PYQs are available, you can say, right? So these are the community features. You can just follow my profile, and in that follow my community, all of you. Right, these are the new batches starting for iconic subscribers, you can say. So don't miss these batches, everyone. Subscribe to this batches and use the referral code RPC Live and get benefit, right? So these are GATE 2020 toppers, these are ESE 2021 toppers, right? This is the difference between this plus and iconic subscription, all of you. Depending upon your requirement, by observing these differences, you can choose which one you want. Now coming to this All-State PSC PYQs of which one? This is surveying. All-State PSC PYQs of this surveying. What is it you are having? This how many questions we have done in the previous class? If you just observe, 412 questions we have done. Now part 50 we are entering into, right? What is it you can say? That 413 question, right? 413 question will be solving, right? So select the answer, of you. Write your option there. Write the question number 413 and write your option there in the live chat. Everyone. D. U fork, right? What is the U fork and this plumb bob are mainly required for? Yes, Lena said it. Leveling. Leveling, which one is useful? That spirit level is useful, na? Spirit level is useful, right? It is not for bisecting. For bisecting or for this orientation to the target point, target ranging rod, which one is required? That alidade will be used, na? For bisecting and for orientation, it is which one? Alidade we are using, is na? alidade we are using, right? And for this leveling, what is that we are using? That is spirit level we are using, na? Yes, that is spirit level we are using. And for centering, what is that? U4 as well as which one? U4 as well as which one? This is a plumb bob, you can say. U4 as well as which one? This is a plumb bob, you can say, right? So now 414. Select the answer for this 414 question, everyone. Select the answer, everyone. This is TS PSC question. Sorry, TS Genco, right? Telangana State Power Generation Corporation. It is given. Yeah, Ramanjanelu, what you can do is, right, yeah, that is quality check, we have to do it. So click on this, right? What you need to do? Click on the screen, and at the top right corner you will be having that settings symbol, and in that settings symbol plus quality, and in that you just select which one is advanced, and you select at least 360 pixels, 360, right? 360. So whenever you are selecting the 360 pixel, it will be visible, right? Minimum 360, right? 360, 420 and 720. You can go for anyone, right? 360 is the minimum you have to go for, right? Then it will be working. Yeah, just do this and check this Anjanelu. Okay, quality we have to change it, right? What is that? A mosque is situated on the far side of a river and inaccessible. It can be located by, right? So when it is inaccessible, how can you locate it? If you just observe, whenever it is inaccessible, how can you locate it? We will be going for this, we will be going for which one? This intersection method, na? Already we have seen this, right? Same. So there is a mask you are having here, right? What is that mask? This is your mask you are having, and these are the 2 points A and B we are having, right? How can you relocate this on this? By means of this intersection method only, no? From this you draw a line. Already this AB line is there, small a, small b. Draw a line here and bring that plane table here. This is your already line available, that small a. This is your small b, and draw one more line here. Intersection point will give that point P, you can say, is now like that. Okay, intersection method, right? 414. Now select the answer for this 415 question, everyone. 415 question, select the answer, everyone. Mask means what? A point, target point, you can say, right? Which we wanted to note. Mask, masidu. Select the answer for this, all of you. Four 415 B. Which of the following method of this plane table survey? It is required to go to the plotted station in resection, right? It is required to go to the plotted section, right? It is required to go to the plotted section, right? Already plotted position, we have to go back, right? Intersection, 2-point problem, 3-point problem, and this back array method, right? Which one it is? 415B. What is that? If you just observe here, which of the following methods of plane table survey? It is required to go to the plotted station in a resection, right? Plotted station in a resection, right? What is that? A plotted station? Already that point is there, right? Already that point is there, and we have to go back to that, right? How can you go that? In 2-point problem and 3-point problem you are going, or in back array method we have to go for? After this plotted position, what is that? You can say 2-point problem or 3-point problem or this back array method, everyone, if you just observe. Already plotted station is there. In that plotted station we have to, which one? This go back, right? Required to go to the plotted station in the resection, right? So we have to go to the plotted section, right? Whenever it is a 2-point and 3-point problem, we need not go to the plotted section, right? 2-point problem and this 3-point problem, are we moving to the plotted section directly? No. So but in this back array method we have to go for this plotted section, if you just observe. Okay, Now select the answer. 415, 416, select the answer. Anjanelu said A. Another answer by others? Vishal said A. Which of the following is not a method of this plane table surveying? Right? Which one is not? You can say. Alina also said A. Rise and fall method, radiation method, intersection and traversing. Right? These two are which one? This is a plane table method only, no? And what is it? Rise and fall method. Rise and fall method is a leveling method, na everyone. Rise and fall method is a leveling method, na? It is no way related to this plane table. It's na rise and fall, height of instrument method. Those are leveling methods, you can say. Already we have done in the last month, na? If you just remember, right? Devarshi also answered correctly. Now select the answer for this 417 question, everyone. Select the answer for this, all of you. So with this today's class, that a plane table will be over, right? Plane table questions will be over, and the next will be entering into which one? These are others. Okay. If you do not know that, learn it, right? Aspirant, always don't think negative, yeah. You try to crack. What you do? You practice the questions, right? You practice more and more and more questions. All previous questions you practice, then you can crack it, no problem. Okay. Don't say like that, aspirant, always, right? Others also will be getting demotivated, right? Don't demotivate yourself and don't demotivate others. It is not a good habit. Always you have to be positive. It's not, even if somebody will come to kill you, you have to be in a positive situation, right? Like that. It's not. Always be positive, right? Don't think like that. It is not a good habit. Okay. The process of putting the plane table into some fixed position, that line representing the certain direction on the plane is parallel to that direction on the field is known as, right? So if you just observe it, what is it you are having? We have to fix the plane table in a particular direction such that a line on this plane table which is parallel to the line on this field. So that is called as you are changing the direction and fixing the correct direction. Changing the direction and fixing the correct direction is nothing but your orientation, not all of you. Yes, it is orientation, is not? Yes, it is orientation, right? Is it centering related to orientation, direction? No. Intersection? No. Orientation we are doing as a part of intersection, we are doing orientation, right? As a part of resection also we are doing orientation, right? But what is that you can say? Arranging the plane table in some particular direction so that any particular line on this plane table drawing will be parallel to the same line on this field, right? Like that you can say, right? Resection is what? Already have explained, na? Resection, Anjanelu. You only asked on that day, na? I think you are not revising these things. You only asked on the day, na? This is what I have explained. This, what is that resection? Somewhere I have explained. Where I have explained? Here. Yeah. This is where I have explained, na? Resection method, right? So what is it? Resection, you can say. So this point P is already available on the map, but we wanted to locate this on which one? This ground, right? That is called as your which one? This resection. Okay. That method is called as your resection, right? Locating the plotted position on the ground. Okay. Already it is available on the map, but we have to locate it on the ground, right? That is called as your resection, you can say. Okay. 417. Next 418. Select the answer for this. Write the answer for this 418 question, everyone. Lina said yeah, 418. Yeah, already for mains that batch is going on. No, I am also teaching which one is surveying in the batch, na? I think you are attending, right? You are attending classes, na? Vishal said A, Lina said A. Any other answers? Plane table surveying, the accessory used for sighting the target is, right, for observing the target, which one it is? It is alligator, na? Yes or no? Trough compass is for which one? Trough compass is for which one? This is sextant and trough compass are for which one? These are for angle measurement, na? It is not for sighting the object, right? Plumbing fork is for which purpose? That U fork, it is for centering purpose, na? It is for centering purpose, you can say. Right, these two are for which one? This orientation purpose, you can say, right, like that. So now select the answer 419. Alligator is used in chain surveying, plane table, compass survey, theodolite survey, right? It is used in which one? This plane table only, right? Just now we discussed now, right? This is your 420 question. Tell me. Yes, north direction marking, right? If you wanted to get the bearing for marking that north direction only, we are using this rough compass. Yes, we shall correct. Yes, alligator is used only in plane table. There is no other surveying we are using alligator. Only in plane table survey we are using that alligator. Either it is a telescopic alligator or it is a normal alligator. And what is that bevel shaped edge of this alligator you are having? Do you remember? That bevel shaped edge for drawing that for the scale of this alligator. What is it called as? Fiducial edge. Do you remember that? Everyone. Fiducial edge you call it as, right? What is that edge you call it as? Fiducial edge you call it as. If you just observe, isn't it? Yeah, not fiducial, fiducial. Reverse. C and D you just interchange, Vishal. Fiducial. Okay, C and D you just interchange, right? Fiducial. The 3-point problem is most suitable in contour survey, cadastral survey, tachyometric survey, and hydrographic survey. What is it? You can say 3-point problem, right? What is the 3-point problem? Locating the plotted position. In case of this contour survey, first of all, this plane table is useful, or plane table survey is not at all useful in the contour survey. Because in case of this contour survey, elevations are required. Are we considering the elevations in plane table? Are we getting the elevations anywhere in plane table? No. We are not getting the elevations in plane table anywhere, right? So cadastral survey, whenever it is a cadastral survey, means it is inside the city, right? Whenever it is a city, means what is it you are having? You are having which one? This a lot of buildings present. Whenever this a lot of buildings present in forest area, and in case of this urban area that boundaries, this is you can say, if it is a plane table, right? Can you able to see? Visibility is very important. This is 1 point here, this is 1 point B. From A to B, visibility, intervisibility is available or not available if you are going for this cadastral survey using the plane table? No. Tachyometric survey, what is the tachyometric survey? You can say that a tachyometric survey is nothing but you are using that 3 stadia wires, right? Here in case of this plane table, is there any stadia wires you are having? No stadia wires, right? Vishal, Anjanil, if you just observe, cadastral survey means it is a survey conducted for representing these boundaries of these houses and all these things. Whenever these houses and all these things are in a city, generally we are going for cadastral survey in a city. Whenever you are going for this visibility, intervisibility of any 2 points is available or not available? Not available. Where intervisibility is not available, we cannot go for this plane table. Okay. So which one? Hydrographic survey, right? That hydrographic survey only we are going for which one? This 3-point problem or plane table survey first of all. Right, last question, select this answer. 421 question, everyone. So from Monday onwards, we will be starting the new chapter, all of you. From Monday onwards, you will be starting the new chapter, everyone. Okay. Select the answer for this. Last question from plane table. Already we have mentioned for centering. Just now we have mentioned which of the following instruments is used for centering of this plane table, right? Spirit level. The name itself is telling that it is for leveling. It is for this leveling operation. And this plumbing fork is for which purpose? This is for centering operation. Alligator is for which purpose? You can say that orientation and sighting. Orientation, or you can also call it as which one? This is sighting purpose. Yes. And a trough compass is for which one? This is a north direction marking. Inside that city, right, Anjanelu, that city survey, right? City of these boundaries, right? Whenever you are having a city, that marking the boundaries and representing these boundaries, all these things will called as property boundaries, right? Private property boundaries we are representing now. Yeah, especially that land survey, boundary survey. So that is your cadastral survey. So whenever you are having this properties means buildings and everything is there, means visibility is lesser. Whenever visibility is lesser, plane table survey we cannot go with. Okay, all of you. Is that clear, everyone? So next we have to go for, so next class will be on 13th Monday, right? On Monday it will be there, all of you. So on Monday we'll be meeting with the new chapter. Okay, on Monday we'll be meeting with the new chapter, and which one will be continuing all these surveying topics by the end of this month. Okay, see, hydrographic, generally what is that hydrographic survey? Hydrographic means this is representing this water related, na? Yes or no? Vashal, what? Okay, hydrographic, you can say it. Hydrographic means similar to that of your water flow. So what is that water bodies related? Whenever this water body is related, it is there. So what will happen? It is visible, na? The points are visible or not? The points are having intervisibility or not having intervisibility. One point in the river, other point in the river, one point in the canal, other point in the canal. They will be visible from one location to other location, na? Whenever they are visible, you can go for this plane table survey, no problem. Yes, na? Do you have any problem in going for plane table survey? No problem, right? Main usage of this plane table is whenever you are having which one? Whenever you are having this visibility of points. That's it. So visibility of points is available, you go for this plane table survey. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. I'll be closing the session.